have old vinyl records, plates, and you don't know what to do with them? Well, you've actually got the right video and you found yourself in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use old vinyl useless records to make standing useful shelves. Please stay tuned as we go into the video. going to do is I could actually do it like this. I could leave it in this form, but I don't want to. I discovered when I leave it in this form and I place things on it, these things are not going to be guided, like they can fall off from the front or from the back. So I've decided to get some sheets of plywood and then wrap it around the back just to give it this protection and avoiding it from falling back whenever you place things on it. So I'm going to give you a test and then show you what I mean. Now, if I actually put this stuff here, let me place it down because I cannot pull it. So I'm just going to leave this stuff like this. Mistakenly, I could just do this and then it falls back. But with this plywood that I've got, it won't fall back. It's going to have a resting place, and I don't need to place this shelf against the wall. I can place it anywhere. It could be in the center of my workstation, it could be the center of my room, it could be anywhere to build. I'm going to actually place some of this plates on this stand over here. And then when I do that, I'm going to put about 5 of them just to make it very strong, because some of them are very light, just like this and very light. So I'm going to place about 5 and then nail them onto the stuff here. Before I do that, I'm going to have to measure the diameter of this stuff, which I already know is approximately 1 feet. So since I know it's approximately 1 feet, I could just calculate the circumference of this plate by using this formula 2 pi r. So once I use 2 pi r, I can actually know the number of feet of this sheet of plywood that I'm going to use. So I've actually done that. I'm going to use approximately 3 feet of plywood, and yes, a 4 by 4 feet of plywood. So I'm going to have extra plywood. So I'm just going to get my tape and then just make sure that there is still some equal distance from the center of the shelf right to the edges. So I'm going to get this tape now and then measure half a feet from the center. So I've actually placed the top one. All I'm just going to have to do is I'm going to place the down one so as to wrap the stuff around it. Which I'm also going to get about 5 or 4 of them. Let's start them together. But make sure they're of different colors just to give it this wonderful look. So above here is a blue color, so I'm going to go with a red color down. That's it. You can see up and down. So I'm just going to get this sheet of plywood and then wrap it around it. So I just have to cut this stuff now, which I don't really know how to cut it, but I think I should figure out to do. So I just have to do it. I just have to mark this part where I want to cut and then just bend it over it gently without breaking it. So I've actually cut it now successfully, but these edges are kind of rough, so I'm just going to sand it down and then let me show you the edges. You can see the wasting much time. Let's quickly add up those other two shapes. Let's fill them up with this vinyl. Actually stack them 5 each on every layer. Now what I want to do, I thought I could actually put some in it just to give it this beautiful look. So let's see how it's going to look. watching. We've come to the end of this video. Now, here is how it looks in real life. I hope you really enjoy it. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell below just to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you so much. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.